Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Bob Shaw.
Good Tuesday morning, 24 minutes before the hour, and waking up to a pretty nice morning here. The temperatures aren't bad. The skies are clear. It's an easy morning here on the high desert. Unfortunately, we just don't warm up a great deal throughout the course of the day. Your commutes, both morning and evening, are going to be pretty simple. The streets are staying dry and the skies are going to stay pretty clear. Bend Airport now has warmed to 52 degrees, and we're getting a little bit of a breeze out of the southwest. Humidity levels are a little on the high side, and that's why we're seeing a little haze out there this morning. 48 degrees at Roberts Field, and a gentle breeze also out of the southwest. We do have storm activity back east and a little bit through the Dakotas. The upper plains states are seeing some of that. The southwest and the northwest actually in pretty good shape. Now, we are normally accustomed to seeing a storm do just what it has done over the last couple of days. Push through from the west toward the east and then move on from there. On occasion, atmospheric conditions get just right to where this storm now takes a little backwards motion. It will come back into the Pacific Northwest. This is how it is centered right now. It is drawing a lot of cold air and moisture into the Pacific Northwest. In fact, this is affecting a lot of the western U.S. Now, instead of moving off to the east, as is the norm, it will take what we call some retrograde motion and move back toward the west. That is going to enhance that flow out of the northwest. Consequently, we are going to cling to some cooler temperatures as we go through tomorrow, and we'll cling to some wind as well. Now, ultimately, about Thursday, this thing is going to move off to the north, and you're not going to see anything but fairer conditions after that. Well, the same is true with the showers. They usually go off to the east, and now they're going to push back into the west just a little bit. Fortunately, all of that will be far enough to the north that we won't have to deal with it. We get plenty of sunshine, but for the next 2 days, we just stay cool and windy. Yesterday, we hit 77 at Roberts Field and 73 at the Bend Airport. It's going to be a struggle to get there today. Right now, the airports are pretty mild. In fact, just about all of Central Oregon is in pretty good shape. Scattered through the 40s with a few that are in the low to mid 50s. For the day ahead, our future track shows us actually staying quite clear. The coast and the valley, maybe the Cascades, will get a scattered shower or two, especially in the Portland area. It'll be a little on the rainy side through there. Central Oregon being east of the Cascades like this, we're going to be protected from it. Consequently, we stay dry. We could certainly use the rain, but we are not going to see any of it out of this whole business as it comes through. Well, for the next couple of days then, plan on staying chilly and windy, and then it starts to break up on Thursday. This is going to set us up now for some pretty good conditions for the holiday weekend. The 4th of July looks like mostly sunny skies, low to mid 80s, and gentle breezes.